This is a Wake&Bake with Vonta Woods with the ZTV. You feel me? Hey, here I take the birds out. But I want to give a special shout out to my wife. This is technically her celebration, her celebratory blunt for getting Employee of the Month. My wife works hard. That's another part why she don't be in the videos. For the simple fact, and she does work. She does work so hard, and you know, when you work hard, you're tired. But all the reviews, you see she plays hard too. So, with that being said, congratulations, baby. And thank everybody that been blowing up the videos. I got 2 that's about to be officially in the hundreds. I got a lot of videos that's in the 30s, 40s, and 50s. So I'm feeling the support. I need to start liking and commenting and start giving me some feedback though. Feedback is key. Feedback gonna help the channel grow. The channel gonna grow regardless. But I need to know which direction to go in. I know more core content. I know that. But what I'm thinking about doing is actually doing a whole nother, I ain't gonna say a whole nother channel, but I'm thinking about doing a whole nother channel just strictly for cars and stuff, and everyday vlog, and then doing reviews on this channel, or cannabis related things on this channel. But I don't know yet. Once I start getting more content, continuously changing content, and it's for short content, we'll probably be not looking further into that. But for right now, we thugging, baby. So, with that being said, you ever burp and cough and about to sneeze at the same time? That just happened. Sheesh. But anywho, I am waiting for 6 o'clock for all my sports heads, especially ones that's paying attention to this basketball catastrophicness with these rosters. Yo, we about to start getting answers today though. 6. If I'm not mistaken, they gotta be done by dang, I can't remember how long it is. I don't think it's just a day. I can't remember. But yeah. Last year, or a couple years ago, all those big ass contracts. Let's see how many big ass contracts this year. So far, we got one that I've been paying attention to, which is Clay. They almost confirmed that. It's almost definitely confirmed that Durant's leaving, but they got one more trick up their sleeve. I ain't gonna lie. Me personally, I know the Warriors back in their front office and stuff. May have, or may not have did your boy wrong. And me personally, if you like the team, you fuck with everybody, but the doctors and stuff. Because it's not the whole front office. It's just medical stuff. Y'all gotta excuse me. I'm catching it. Allergy hell right now. So, bear with me. But anyway, if the medical staff is the only people that he really don't get along with because of what happened, alright, so you know your body. You can, whenever your injury is, when it's time for you to come back, or it's close time for you to come back, you know your body, not your battery. You know your body though. I hope you ain't got no battery, but you know your body. You can tell when you're ready to come back and stuff like that. So,
when you run on fumes.
Yeah. Nigga, that part. But, so, like, when you come back, they said that he's not going to be 80% of the player he was. I guarantee you he's going to be 125% of the player that he was. Because that's the type of person he is. That's the type of player he is. So, he going to come back better than ever. He might have a slow start because this will be his longest time of not being on the court. If he do miss the whole season, yeah, it'll be the longest time he's not been on the court. Consistently. And a 10, no, 12, I think it's like a 12-year run with only 2 injuries, my nigga. Is you shitting me? He's probably one of the most durable basketball players. He's really durable for his position. If you go out of players in his position, he's the best in his position. Him and LeBron is actually kind of neck and neck, but LeBron has been here longer than him. But still, LeBron doesn't shoot threes like he used to. Kevin Durant's giving you all threes, mids, long twos, layups, dunks, everything. So he's doing it all right now. But that's neither here nor there. Just watch. Wherever Durant go, I'll be watching that team too. Because I like Durant as a player. I watched him in college. So I'll be on this the whole season, but if you miss the whole season, that's not going to be bad because I know the 2021 season is going to be on and pop. Ooh, excuse me. But, yo, your boy signing out. We gonna end it on that note. But don't leave it on a low note. Y'all remember, leave it on a high note. Because I am that guy. Stay high, stay fly.